Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Syndax Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol SNDX, a commercial stage biotech company that could be on the verge of a major breakout moment. We'll look at what the company does, its upcoming catalyst, and why the upside potential here is drawing serious attention. Syndax is a Massachusetts-based biopharmaceutical company focused on developing and commercializing oncology and hematology therapies. Its lead drug, called Revuforj, or Revumenib, is an oral menin inhibitor that targets specific genetic mutations driving certain types of acute leukemia. Revuforj was approved by the FDA in late 2024 for relapsed or refractory acute leukemia with KMT2A rearrangements, a major milestone that turned Syndax into a revenue-generating company. In the second quarter of 2025, the company reported $28.6 million in Revuforj sales, up 43% from the previous quarter. That growth proves Syndax can not only innovate but also execute commercially. Now, the biggest reason Syndax is back on investors' radar is the next big FDA decision. The company's supplemental new drug application for Revuforj in relapsed or refractory acute myeloid leukemia with an NPM1 mutation has been granted priority review by the FDA. This means the agency sees significant potential clinical benefit, and it has set a PDUFA action date of October 25, 2025. The filing is also under the Real-Time Oncology Review Program, which helps speed up the process for promising therapies. If approved, Revuforj would become the first and only menin inhibitor approved for both KMT2A rearranged and NPM1-mutant AML, two of the most common and difficult-to-treat genetic subtypes of this disease. That expansion could multiply the addressable market dramatically, opening the door to hundreds of millions in potential new revenue. Let's talk about why this opportunity stands out. First, the market is large. NPM1 mutations are present in roughly 30% of adult AML cases, creating a broad and clearly defined patient population. Second, the clinical data looks strong. In the Augment 101 trial, Revuforj achieved an overall response rate near 50%, with a meaningful portion of patients reaching complete remission or partial remission. That's a powerful result in a cancer type where effective options are limited. Third, Syndax is already commercial. Unlike many early-stage biotechs, it has a sales infrastructure in place and proven growth from its first approval. That makes it much easier to scale up if this new indication is approved. Financially, the company is well-positioned, with more than $500 million in cash and investments as of mid-2025. That strong balance sheet gives Syndax flexibility to fund commercialization, clinical trials, and potential future indications without near-term dilution pressure. From a long-term perspective, this could be a transformational moment. If Revuforj expands into the larger AML market and continues to show durable clinical benefit, Syndax could evolve from a small biotech into a major commercial oncology player. The menin inhibitor class itself may also become a therapeutic platform, with potential applications in combination therapies in earlier stage disease settings. In short, Syndax represents a rare setup, a company with an already approved product, a near-term FDA catalyst, strong growth momentum, and a large expansion opportunity just ahead. If the October FDA decision is favorable, the upside could be substantial, both for near-term traders and long-term investors focused on company transformation stories. This isn't financial advice, but Syndax Pharmaceuticals is one to watch closely in the coming weeks. If you enjoyed this analysis, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with which company you want covered next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.